Yo, it's out here. I do have about 40 pounds of weight savings. Chopping stuff out of this door between the glass. New little door card here. Gonna pull that speaker out for track stuff. You know, maximum race car. What else? I think I grabbed a pedal assembly. Oh yeah, e-brake pedal assembly. It's down here somewhere. I don't know. That was 5 pounds. So the goal is maybe get 100 pounds out of the front of the car, because the front obviously way heavier than the back. The glass, just the glass alone. The old window sitting over here. Just the glass alone is 9 pounds. Eventually, maybe I'll do the passenger door. But for now, nobody's sitting over there. Try to keep it balanced, right? Keep some weight on the passenger side of the car without me in it. The car is really pretty well corner balanced. Pretty even across the front, pretty even across the back. But as soon as I get in it, we get a lot of weight on the left front, obviously. The other thing we're gonna do here, I'm gonna vent the catch can to the atmosphere here. We got a little thread-on breather guy. We're gonna do something similar where this just vents into here, and we're gonna take basically a longer hose here, which I've got kind of kicking right here. I got another, I guess that's a passenger side. It's the passenger side valve cover that has the oil fill and cap and everything. And we're gonna stick that over on the driver's side. We're gonna run out of that vent the new hose onto the vented catch can. Hopefully get rid of some of that, I don't know, crankcase pressure that maybe the motor's seeing. I don't know, it's got 203,000. I got a 75,000 mile LT1 sitting down at 3 pedals down in Virginia, 3 hours away. I gotta get it from there. Probably too big and heavy to even put in the wagon, the station wagon, WRX wagon. But we'll get it here. Plan is before the Impala Nationals, end of July, Gingerman, sub 140 in Creton. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I've never had a motor out in any car. Certainly not in this car. And the time that is gonna take, and a little bit of cost between, you know, just stupid gaskets and motor mounts, dumb stuff like that's gonna add up. Gonna have to do brake pads on the front as well. I think I got some new rotors for the back. We'll do that later. But I do have those C5Z 17 by 9.5 wheels going on all 4 corners with some Toyo 275 slicks, which ideally, I don't know, gets me some speed there, a couple seconds maybe. Here's the giant splitter that's taller than me, maybe 6 feet wide, whatever that is, 2.5 feet deep. Big heavy 20-something pounds worth of wood. And here's those C5 wheels. Still got other tires on them. Got to get those mounted up. There's a stupid wing that probably doesn't really do much other than dragging the breeze, but maybe one of these days when I can afford one of those 9 Lives wangs, we'll get that on the car. But we'll find out. In the garage, gonna work on the car a little bit. Pineview Run, Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Trying to make the car a little bit lighter. Got a new little corrugated plastic door panel here. Really nice, light, you know, pretty impact, shatter resistant, all that stuff. But attaching them to the door, I wanted to make it pretty quick and easy to get the little door panel off, even if I was sitting in the car. If I had to kind of raise or lower that little Lexan manual window. I ended up using combination of Velcro strips, and then also these guys are pretty cool. I'll show you over here. 3M makes this stuff called dual lock. It's like plastic Velcro that holds way tighter and is good for, I don't know, 10,000 cycles or something, a lot of cycles, and holds more weight than Velcro too, but Scotch, 3M, whatever, and a little bit thicker than a Velcro might be, but that's okay. So yeah, we're gonna use that stuff, this door panel, door card, to get that door on or off nice and easy. Got the door all cut out, no more power window. Still have the power locks though, kind of cool. And got a little lexan, you can see that. Did a little lexan full manual window. Back, rear windows are just kind of static, and have been for a while. Shaved a bunch of weight out of the car. When I say a bunch, I mean like maybe 20 or 30 pounds. Got the regulator. I just cut it out with a sawzall. Got the e-brake that doesn't work anymore. Got that down there. Unbolted that. Got about 2 pounds worth of bumper plastic I cut out underneath the bumper. I don't know if you can see that. But we got the big air dam on there. So I wasted a bunch of time, probably 2 hours, cutting out 2 pounds of bumper plastic. Got the window switch. Still got power windows in the other side of the car. But the switch is really stupid. It has some dumb pass-through thing on the driver's side. So I cut the wiring, and now this side is dead. And I got to butt splice a whole bunch of a bunch of wires together so it works. But on a fun lighter note here, got a bunch of tires in there. We got 12 tires. 8 wheels with tires mounted on them, and 4 tires. But I finally got my 275 slicks, some Toyo RRs, mounted on my C5Z wheels. Shout out to Brett for giving me a killer deal on these wheels. Should have way more traction, probably enough to starve the motor of oil and blow the motor up, seize the motor, throw a rod bearing, I don't know, spin a bearing. But hopefully not anytime real soon. Pineview Run doesn't have any super long sweepers, especially high speed sweepers. Not too worried about it, but still gunning for that sub 140 at Gingerman in July, which probably isn't gonna happen, but we're trying. You know, we got the big stupid wing on there, gonna have some big stupid tires. We don't have big stupid brakes or big stupid power, which would be helpful, but it is what it is. So yeah, we'll try, and we can always go back.